going on, everybody? Boxer Tech here. Just wanted to give you guys an update what's been going on the last few months since I've been away from YouTube. So there's nothing against YouTube or anything like that, just a lot of things going on that have been happening in my life and trying to get everything all squared away and get together and get back to start doing videos again for you guys. Just wanted to give you guys a little update what's going on. So this car I'm actually sitting in was featured on my Facebook page, and this car actually I bought 2 years ago. It's another 99 Subaru Legacy Outback that I bought, but I intended to use it for a donor for another Subaru Legacy that was in an accident. So I'm going to be doing some videos to showing you guys. I'm actually building a Franken motor for this car out of the 2.2 that came out of my old Legacy and the 2.5 that I took out of the Landshark project. So look forward to those videos coming very soon. Actually, right behind the camera here is the two engines that are sitting on the stand waiting for me to tear them down so I can start building them up. So excited about that coming. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see those videos. Haven't decided how I want to do it yet, if I wanted to do it all in one video, if I wanted to do it in pieces. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see a whole series on building a Franken motor? So this car is actually going to get the engine that I'm building for that. It's basically a ground up project. There's no powertrain in the car, no drivetrain. It's got a rear end, it's got a drive shaft. That's about it. It's basically a rolling shell with wheels on it. So it's going to be pretty much a ground up project. I'm into this car for nothing. I sold a bunch of stuff when I parted out the old Legacy, so this truly is a budget build. Like, I'm using parts that I had laying around, and I have had, parts that have been given to me, parts that I've acquired, things of that sort. So I'll actually be, as the part of the project goes, I'll be doing a rolling tally on how much this car has actually cost me, just to give you guys an idea on how cheap it is that you can actually get these and fix them up to how you want them. The Landshark project, it's come a full transformation since the last time it appeared in the videos. So the last time it appeared in the videos was probably about, was the last video I posted was about bleeding the coolant, and that video was actually done in December of 2016, and here we are, January 2018, and we've gone a 180 with the whole car. I mean, it's definitely worth the look. So I'm gonna actually do a video update on the Landshark project to start to show you guys what's going on with that. I think the biggest news that's gonna help me get back into working on Subarus again is the fact that we just bought a house, and the house has a huge 780 square foot shop on it that's detached from the main house. So it's basically going to be a full service shop. I'm going to have a lift in it. I'm going to have everything that I need. And then the last thing is, I left you guys on with a little bit of a cliffhanger. My wife and I actually bought a Subaru, and we planned on doing a video series about it, and it kind of it fell apart. But we still have the car, so I'm going to show you guys that. Alright, here it is. This is the new vehicle that we were going to do a video series on, but decided we weren't going to. So here it is. This is our 2002 Subaru Forester, and we picked this thing up for an absolute steal. Couldn't pass up the price on it, but the vehicle is in absolutely great condition. A couple of door dings on the passenger side, but nothing too bad. The interior's in really good shape. It's, like I said, 2002. It's a 5-speed. Very excited about that. I'm actually contemplating putting in the WRX transmission that I have in the garage into it, because the transmission does need to be replaced. It's a little long on the miles. We got 204,869 miles on it, but the car came with a full documented service history. So for the price that we paid for it, we definitely couldn't pass it up. It's a beautiful vehicle. I drive it on occasion to work when the Landshark project isn't cooperating with me, so that's pretty much the extent of the Forester there. So I'll be doing some videos on that. Let me know what you guys want to see on this car. Like I said, this is a completely clean slate. It was previously a 2-owner car before I picked it up, and it's fully stock. Like, nothing's been done to it. It's got all the creature comforts of the top end model, besides the leather interior and the moonroof on it. So let me know what you guys want to see on this. This is definitely an exciting project here. Alright guys, so that's about it for the updates right now. I'll be definitely posting the new video for the Landshark project here shortly after this video goes live. Probably a couple days I'll post it up for you guys. It's a real good project to see. It's if you actually saw a little bit of it, if you don't follow on Facebook, I mean, you got to go follow us on Facebook, Boxer Tech on Facebook. You'll see the car there, and you can actually, if you rewind a couple minutes in the video back to the Forester reveal, you'll see it lurking in the background there for a second. So it's a pretty good project to check out, and I apologize I haven't been posting regularly on that. So I got a lot of good things coming up on that project, so check out that video when it comes out. So let me know what you guys want to see. I like hearing from all of you guys. Thank you for the comments that you guys have been posting on my videos. Above all, I just like to help everybody out. I like to help all you guys out. I know there's a lot of people that are new to Subarus. I was new to Subarus. I'm not even an expert. I've done a bunch of engine rebuilds and modifications and everything to them, but I'm nowhere near an expert. I don't even claim to be an expert, so I just like helping everybody out, and I like answering your questions. I like, you know, the positive feedback that I get from everybody on the videos, so it's motivated me to keep going and keep making the videos. So definitely like this video, make sure it gets out there, and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, there's a lot of new content that's coming out, and I'm gonna be posting videos on a very regular basis after that new house comes in. So when I get that new shop set up, so that's going to be an awesome thing. So like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.